Hello everybody, today we make a spicy sausage risotto. For the ingredients we got hot Italian sausage, arborio risotto, pecorino cheese, chicken stock, wine, I don't want to miss my wine, butter, we got marinara sauce, and we got a shallot. Okay, today the only thing I gotta chop, it's the shallot. And let's chop a shallot. Okay. We chop really thin because this you gotta go big like the risotto, the rice. Okay, now we start for the risotto. And we got oil, not too much. I want to saute the sausage first. Alright. And we leave warm up the oil a little bit. Okay, now we start with the sausage. Okay. And we start break all the sausage. This is a really spicy sausage. It's really good when you eat this. Now we break the sausage a little bit because we want to make a nice brown. Okay, the sausage is ready. And now it's the time of the shallot. And we give a nice turn on this and now the mix is really good. We leave it cook a little bit and now the shallot with the meat. Okay, now the shallot it was cooked nice. And now we put the arborio rice, the cook a little bit together with the shallot and the sausage. Okay, now it's the time to put the wine and we leave the wine evaporate everything. This is the Chardonnay wine. It's a really dry wine, the way I like. I like wine when it's dry, not sweet. And make sure to use the wine you drink. I never use the cooked wine. I don't like that. This, yes. Okay, now we put the marinara sauce. And we give a little turn. Now, say you don't got a marinara sauce, you can use any kind of the sauce you want. If you don't want to put no sauce, it's okay. Keep the risotto white with no sauce. Okay, now for the risotto I got a chicken stock. If to do the risotto, you gotta start a little bit at a time and make sure to check all the time. Because you need more chicken stock, you pour. But you don't need, no pour no more. You see now, I pour like this. And you gotta keep eye. You need a little more, you gotta do. Okay, now we leave it cook on slow, really low. Okay, you gotta cook it, no burn the rice. It can stick on the bottom of the pots. But this one, it's a really good pot, ain't no stick. But a lot of pots that the people do is stick. I put on low, okay, you gotta be only little bubble. Okay, you don't gotta do like the rice, you gotta jump and go on your face. Like this, little bubble. Okay, now, you see, the risotto, it started drying now. And we give a little turn, and we put more chicken stock. Yeah, I want to put 1 and 2. And we make a nice turn again. And make sure the turn once in a while, the watch, they're not be too dry. And after when it's almost cooked, you see the difference. You need more chicken stock or maybe no. Now, this is good. You see, I keep on low. You see, it bubble a little bit, not too much. Okay, now everybody see, you see how dry it is. But it gotta be all the time a little wet. And we put more chicken stock. I put 1 and 2. After this it take dry everything the chicken stock, I want to taste so the risotto be ready. Okay, now this is the last scoop we put the chicken stock. It's enough. Now let's do a little bit more, couple of 2 or 3 more minutes this. After we put the butter and the pecorino cheese. Okay, now the risotto is done. And let's put this butter. And I want to mix the butter first they melt the butter inside. But this is so hot that the butter, it can melt so fast. Look at that. This now, it's a time for the pecorino cheese. It's a pecorino cheese now. Let's go. Hey, come on. Oh boy. Now it comes the really good taste. Oh, look at the pecorino cheese. The pecorino cheese is go. Bleh. Look how nice it looks. A nice creamy cheese. Look at this. Look at that. Look at the cheese. Okay, now it's done, the risotto. And now, let's taste the risotto. Everybody say, Pasquale, but you got enough for cheese. Pecorino cheese. I want more. Look. Now, look at the risotto. It stay together. It not go like it. You see, look at the cheese. Come on, baby. So good this risotto. Questo risotto è proprio esaurito. Proprio a così. It's really delicious risotto. A little wine. Salute cincini devi fare. Nice wine and the risotto. It's a spice with the Italian hot sausage. Salute. Cincin. Salute. I want to taste another risotto.
Hold on.
Beh.
Is that me?
Yeah.
Start when you